Bam! How's it going, guys? Right here. Whew, finally got a day off again, right? We had a big storm happen last night, but it's pretty sunny out now, so figured before there any other chance of rain, let's get a quick ride in. Ooh, okay. It's a little cold, so it might take a little bit of convincing, but we're gonna get this going. This is gonna be a short ride because I'm still not quite brave enough to really fully explore the city yet. Alright, warming up. Okay. But it's alright. It'll warm up here in a little bit. Alright. Alrighty. Here we go. Here's my hands reaching for turn signals. That's the next project. Woo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, still a little too cold. Alright, it'll warm up here in a little bit. Just gotta convince it. Ugh. So we're gonna go to the dollar store here. Alrighty, there we go. I think we're in good shape now. So hope everyone's doing pretty good. This will be my first time going in this direction actually with the dirt bike, so whew. This is probably gonna be mostly unedited today because of live reaction, really. I actually lost track which gear I'm in. Woo! Bouncy. Yeah, this will be my first time actually participating in traffic since I've had it. We actually took it in traffic a little while back when I was in Gulf Spartan's town when he originally had it. Alrighty.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
Ooh, that felt a little too loose. Oh, shoot. Oh, wow. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Woo! Alrighty. We made it. Oh. Okay. Get out of there. Okay. Alrighty. We'll be right back. Alrighty, we're back. My first time getting to use this new cargo we got in here. Which I should probably put these gloves on. I should be using the gloves more often anyways, for safety reasons. But comparing this to the scooter, whenever I'm kind of maneuvering the bike around my garage, these pipes get very hot. And yeah, I've already burnt myself on it once, so. But yeah. Okay. Is it warmed up enough to just start on its own? Let's find out. So this is a new problem I gotta fix. My throttle feels very loose. So I'm probably gonna have to play it easy here getting back home. I know this is kind of a quick in the moment video. Oh yeah, no, I have like no pull now. Uh-oh. Woo. Shoot. Oh yeah, something happened with my throttle. I'm gonna have to turn back around. I have like no pull. Uh-oh. No. Yeah, see, I'm all the way out and I got no pull. No. Go ahead. I'm gonna have to ride it like my scooter now. Oh, this is what I get for goofing off, I guess, right? Oh, no. Well, hey, at least we're not burning the engine out, right? Ooh, we are going 14 miles an hour maximum. Up the hill. Oh, no. Ah! I wonder. Yeah, so I think the either the throttle housing broke or the cable snapped in a way, because the cable is so loose that I am literally off hands right now, so that's not good at all. Definitely not a good first time taking it into traffic. But it's okay, we're just gonna be cruising on this street here. Yeah, all the way, got nothing. I'm pretty sure this is first gear we're in too, but oh well. Oh well, I'll have to investigate that as soon as we get home. Well, everyone, I know this was a really quick impulse video. I literally just got home from getting snacks. And I wanted to record a video while it was still sunny out, because we've been having some rain. Like at least I can fully close the throttle, but ugh. Yeah. Ooh, I gotta get used to this rear brake. I'm not used to the... But yeah, I know this is kind of an impulse video, and this is probably going to be an unedited video, really. I didn't really have a plan going out this time. There we go. Second gear, at least. Hopefully we'll do some more videos soon. Now that I gotta fix this throttle issue. Whee! Well, everyone, just got back from that little adventure from getting snacks, and looks like our throttle housing snapped. Which, to be fair, this is probably the original housing. Who knows how long it's been there, but look at that. Oh. Well, at least that is a simple fix, but I'm not exactly too happy about that. Oh well. Well, anyways, thank you for joining me with this, I guess. Well,